Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, open Photos app. Following that, you need to tap on one of your albums and hold the photo that you wish to get rid of, in my case this one. Now tap on Select All at the top right corner and tap on Delete at the bottom right one. So when I do that and tap on Delete All Items, I can see that all of my photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!